The Focal ES165KX3 three-way component kit delivers exceptionally clear and dynamic sound that feels closer to a true high-end home audio system than a typical car upgrade. Its composite K2 power sandwich woofer cones provide tight, controlled bass and a very articulate mid-range that stays clean even at higher listening levels. The aramid fiber inverted dome tweeters offer a smooth, detailed top end with excellent stereo imaging, avoiding the harshness that many bright car tweeters can introduce. A sophisticated bi-amplifier-ready crossover network allows precise integration of the woofer, mid-range, and tweeter, giving the system a very coherent and natural presentation. With strong power handling and high sensitivity, this kit can play loudly with authority while still sounding composed and refined when driven by quality amplification. Thoughtful touches like the tuned mass damper surround, compact mid-range modules, and sturdy aluminum mesh grills make installation flexible and help ensure long-term reliability in a vehicle environment.